Beneath this isolated Chinese mountain, a $37 billion secret is being carved into the earth. China is building an invisible energy shield, a massive underground petroleum reserve dwarfing the United States stockpiles.
Designed to hold nearly 2 billion barrels, this network protects Beijing from global maritime blockades.
Strategically located next to Zhoushan's deepwater ports, this facility is the ultimate geopolitical weapon.
Costing over $420 million, the Daxi site alone will hold 3 million cubic meters of crude. Using revolutionary water-sealed technology, it is 50% cheaper to operate and completely invisible from the sky. Built to operate for 50 years without maintenance, it relies on groundwater pressure to trap the oil. This is the story of how China built the most dangerous, impossible, and secretive oil fortress on Earth.
Late 2023. The first phase of the impossible mission begins with breaking ground on the untouched terrain of Daxi Island. Engineers from CNOC meticulously map the tufaceous rock mass, searching for the perfect underground vault location. Every inch of the island's geology must be tested. One miscalculation could cause a catastrophic cave-in. The rock here is uniquely stable, allowing for an unprecedented scale of underground excavation.
Heavy machinery arrives in the dead of night to begin the massive earth-moving operations. Thousands of tons of steel and concrete are covertly shipped to the island.
The initial access tunnels require penetrating solid rock faces, a slow and punishing process.
Day and night, shifts of specialized tunnelers carve the initial pathways into the mountain's heart. Removing the surface rock is just the beginning. The real challenge lies deep beneath the water table.
Millions of tons of excavated debris must be carefully managed to maintain the project's secrecy.
To hollow out the massive cavern, the teams must rely on precision drill and blast techniques. Calculated perfectly, these blasts will shatter the rock without compromising the mountain's structural integrity.
Controlled detonations echo deep underground, carving out the 3 million cubic meter void.
Immediately after the blast, the clearing teams move into the hazardous, dust-choked tunnels.
The sheer volume of rock removed is staggering, enough to fill multiple sports stadiums. Visibility is zero. The air is thick with silica. Only the strongest can endure these conditions. Scaling the cavern roof is the most dangerous job. Falling debris is a constant, deadly threat.
The excavation runs 24 hours a day, pushing machines and men to their absolute limits.
The complex is divided into massive, interconnected chambers, each designed to hold oceans of crude oil. As the caverns take shape, the true, terrifying scale of China's underground ambition is revealed.
To prevent the mountain from collapsing, the rock walls are immediately sealed with high-strength concrete. The rapid-drying shotcrete locks the fractured rock mass together, creating an impenetrable shell.
Thousands of long steel rock bolts are driven deep into the mountain to anchor the ceiling. Each bolt is torqued to massive pressure, ensuring the vault can withstand the immense weight above.
The raw cave is transformed into a highly engineered, structural fortress.
Heavy steel mesh is embedded onto the concrete, reinforcing the walls against seismic activity.
Every square inch is meticulously inspected. In this facility, a single crack could mean disaster.
The genius of the design lies not in fighting the water, but using it. The facility sits intentionally below the water table. The natural groundwater pressure will trap the oil. A
complex network of water curtains is installed to maintain constant pressure against the oil. Because oil is lighter than water, the surrounding water pressure prevents the crude from escaping into the rock.
This water-sealed technology ensures almost zero storage loss over the facility's 50-year lifespan.
These shafts will house the massive pipes that will inject and extract the millions of barrels of oil.
Installing the vertical pipeline requires extreme precision and heavy lifting by the engineering crews.
Every weld must be perfect. These pipes will endure massive pressure and highly corrosive crude.
X-ray inspections scan every joint. There is zero margin for error in this subterranean fortress.
At the base of the shafts, gigantic hydraulic valves are installed to control the flow.
The underground environment is harsh, damp, and dangerous, demanding peak physical endurance. Phase 1 of excavation is complete. The empty vault stands ready to become a lake of oil.
But an empty cave is not enough. The facility is wired with state-of-the-art Chinese AI technology.
Miles of fiber optic sensors are laced throughout the rock walls and water curtains.
These sensors feed data into an artificial intelligence system designed for automatic leak detection.
The AI monitors pressure, temperature, and fluid dynamics in real time, 24/7. If even a drop of oil breaches the water curtain, the system will detect it instantly.
Automated fail-safes can seal off sections of the reserve in milliseconds to prevent catastrophe. Above ground, a massive logistical network is being built to feed the underground beast. Huge pumping stations are constructed, capable of moving millions of gallons of oil an hour. These surface tanks act as a buffer, regulating the massive flow of crude from the ships.
New deep-water piers are engineered to dock the world's largest supertankers directly to the island.
The logistics are perfectly integrated, allowing a seamless flow from the Persian Gulf straight into the Chinese mountains.
Nearby, CNOOC is upgrading refineries to process 240,000 barrels a day. The entire island becomes a single, massive machine dedicated to energy dominance. As completion nears, every valve, pipe, and sensor undergoes extreme pressure testing.
The water-sealed curtains are flooded, establishing the invisible hydrodynamic barrier.
The mountain itself is turned into a living, pressurized seal against the oil.
Once the system is verified, the heavy bulkheads are sealed, preparing the vault for its payload.
From above, the island looks untouched, hiding the 31 million-barrel Leviathan beneath.
Late 2026, the first supertanker arrives, carrying the lifeblood of the modern world.
The offloading process begins, initiating the final, critical phase of the operation.
Millions of gallons of crude begin their descent into the mountain.
Gravity and massive surface pumps force the heavy oil deep into the subterranean caverns.
The empty vaults slowly fill, an ocean of black gold expanding in the dark.
The water-sealed technology works flawlessly. The oil is trapped, compressed against the cavern roof. The pumps run continuously for days, transferring the massive cargo from the ship to the stone.
A ship that took weeks to cross the ocean is drained into the mountain in a matter of days.
The AI system takes full control, monitoring the dormant giant for the next 50 years. The Daxi commercial oil reserve is fully operational, a hidden fortress of national security.
But Daxi is just one node. China is building 11 new sites, rapidly expanding this subterranean empire.
The total capacity aims to reach an astonishing 2 billion barrels, fundamentally altering global energy dynamics.
These maintenance-free bunkers give Beijing the ultimate strategic advantage.
They are perfectly masked from satellite surveillance, distorting the true inventory levels of the global market. In the event of a maritime blockade at the Strait of Hormuz, this hidden reserve changes everything.
An invisible shield, carved by sheer force, protected by water and stone.
Built by the relentless strength and precision of Chinese engineering.
The world's most dangerous and impossible construction project, completed in total secrecy.
3 million cubic meters of crude, waiting silently in the dark.
Secured tightly against the immense pressure of the earth.
A delicate balance of hydrogeological pressure, mastered and weaponized for energy security.
The central nervous system of the reserve, watching, calculating, protecting.
The surface is locked down, a highly restricted military-grade exclusion zone.
No one enters. Nothing is seen. The secret remains buried.
While global supply chains fracture and storms of instability rage above, the mountain stands firm, its belly full of the black gold that powers modern empires.
The workers who carved this impossible vault leave their legacy deep in the stone.
Only these silent steel sentinels hint at the massive pressure trapped below. A $37 billion gamble, securing the future of the nation's economy. The Daxi project is just the beginning of a massive subterranean energy revolution.
Data from the deep is transmitted securely, keeping Beijing constantly informed of their strategic stockpile.
The machinery is built to outlast the men who built it, a testament to heavy industrial engineering.
The zero maintenance means absolute perfection upon installation. There are no second chances underground. Nature and hyper-advanced industrial engineering forced into a permanent, pressurized truce.
The project is officially handed over, shifting from construction to eternal vigilance.
The surface tanks are a mere illusion, a fraction of what truly lies beneath.
While the world sleeps, the invisible energy shield stands ready. The mountain breathes, regulating the temperature of the millions of barrels inside its veins.
The water-sealed technology proves that the Earth itself can be the ultimate container.
The gates are locked. The caverns plunge into total, permanent darkness. Inside, a lake of crude oil rests silently, compressed by the weight of a mountain.
Capacity reached. The strategic reserve is full, entirely hidden from the world's eyes.
As global tensions rise, this underground fortress guarantees survival against any blockade.
What looks like solid stone is the world's most dangerous and impossible engineering marvel.
China's secret underground oil reserve changes the rules of the global energy game forever.
An invisible empire of oil, securing the future beneath the stone. The ultimate energy shield, born from danger, built in secret.
The vault is sealed.